What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the graph editor inside FL Studio, so let's get right into it. Alright, so in the channel rack, when you just put in drums or whatever, if you highlight the element and get this little green box, you can actually use this thing called the graph editor. It's at the top right next to the interactive step sequencer. It's the bar graph looking icon at the top right. But when you click that, it's going to open up the velocity for that channel. So you don't have to go inside the piano roll to mess with the velocity. You can just move the velocity here. And then if you look at the bottom, you also have other tabs here like note pitch, release velocity, fine pitch, panning, mod X, Y, and shift. So really the best ones you could get in this area are the note pitch, velocity, and the panning. Those are going to be the most important ones. These other ones definitely will add some sauce, but messing with your velocity, pitch, and panning is how you're going to get some interesting drums. So if we solo this kick and have the graph editor up, we can mess with this velocity in real time. And now we can also do note pitch. So this just lets you mess with the actual pitch of the note just by dragging it to something else. You can even add in other notes by just left clicking. See how that can give it some uniqueness? Now also you can do panning. My drums are actually in mono right now, so you won't be able to hear this, but if you move it up, that's going to be to the right, and down will be to the left. So just keep that in mind. You do some stuff like this, especially with tom fills. This adds a lot of sauce. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Don't be sleeping on this graph editor, okay? It actually adds a lot of dopeness and sauce to your drum loops, okay? If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.